How to remove the door panel off your 2005-2012 Porsche 911. Go put some blue tape right here. Take a pry tool, pop this back, slide this up. Come back here and disconnect this connector right here. To disconnect, you're gonna push in right here. Unplug this connector right here. Pull it out. Take a T30 to this bolt right here. Pop this cover off. Pop this panel up right here. Pull back on the door lever and take a T20 and remove this fastener right here. Pull out the door handle. Pop this cover off right here. Undo the fastener inside. Undo the fastener inside here by the grab handle. Fish out the fastener. Undo the fastener in here. Pop this cover off. Unbolt this fastener. Now grab the bottom of the door and pull back hard. And then lift up. Use a small jack stand to support the door so it doesn't fall out of the car. Spread these two clips back right here. Pull. Release that. Pull up on this. So right now I'm just leaning the door inside of the car. Disconnect the speaker. Pull apart this connector right here. Undo this orange clip right here. At this point, you can pull the panel off the car. Pop off any door clips that may have gotten left behind. Use a trim piece tool to reset all these clips into the open position. Go around the entire door. Reload any clips that may have fallen out. Just in case you need more clips, I've linked some in the video description below. Go ahead and bring your door back over. Get your jack stand. Go make all the connections back onto the door card. Your speaker. Now you can go and hang the door on this cleat right here. Go ahead and hang the door on this cleat up top. Now you go push in on the door and pop it in place. Reattach this bolt. Reattach the bolt in here. Reattach the bolt in here. Reattach the bolt right here. Put the cap on. Reattach the bolt right here. Peel your tape off. Reattach your mirror connector. This right here, this tongue goes on this groove. Pull out your door latch. Take a T20 and attach your screw in the back. Put this trim piece back in place. Eventually you'll seat it in there. Take this trim piece, push it back in. Take this trim piece, push it back in place. All right, guys, that's how you replace the door panel on your 2005-2012 Porsche 911. If you have any questions, drop in a comment below. Give it a little thumbs up, maybe a little super thanks. And if you need any products used in the video, it'll be linked in the description below. And we'll see you next time.